everyone, I'm Ambi. I'm the distro queen here at Scalpa. Today we are going to be unboxing the Microblading Training Kit and all the products that come inside of it. Before we get into the products, I do want to talk about a little bit about the training. It's completely free. You're welcome to go through it. It's amazing. If you choose that you want to be certified in this and you want to start performing this procedure, you will have to be certified and you will need to purchase the products to receive a certificate. There are artists right now charging upwards of $800 for this procedure, and it only takes an hour and a half, so this can be a great way to supplement your income or just create a full-on career out of it. Let's get into the products. You will receive a color combination guide that has all the formulas for you to create the perfect brow for any client. This kit also comes with 2 practice skins. One is stroke, to practice your strokes, and one is to practice your tracing. These are a very light color and sometimes they are difficult to see, but this is so that your trainer can see your strokes very clearly. Please keep in mind that there are some clients who won't have a brow and you won't have a guide or an outline. So this is a great way to practice that and get familiar. In this training kit, we also provide stencils that go onto the client's brows. They are sticky and they peel off and they go right onto the brow. And they come off really easily. You will also receive a Scalpa pencil. This is great for outlining the brow. You are also going to receive Scalpa scissors. This is great to trim the brow hairs of the client if necessary. You will also receive tweezers from Scalpa. This is to tweeze unwanted hairs before the procedure. You will also receive a brow pigment that is great for practicing. And these colors are absolutely amazing. They do not fade. They do not gray. They last quite a long time. This particular color I have here is African King. Beautiful, highly pigmented, not going anywhere, will not gray. It is to last a very long time. Your customers are going to love this product and be extremely happy with their brows and the retention that this pigment offers. Next, we have Scalpa Gone. This is a numbing agent. It has lidocaine and tetracaine. It is used when the skin is open to numb the client so that they are completely comfortable during that procedure. My skin is not open, so it won't be numbed, but just a very thin, slippery texture. It's an absolutely amazing product. Your clients will not feel a thing. I've heard many testimonials that some clients even fall asleep and take a nap. You will also receive our Scalpel Blades. These are sterile and sealed so that when you get them, they are ready to use. These are disposable. They also come with ink rings so that you can place your pigment in a ring and wear it on your hand so that it doesn't fall, doesn't slip, and you can easily dip your blade into the ring. And there you have it. This is our Scalpa Microblading Training course and the products included. This training kit is an amazing business opportunity for you. There's nowhere else you can find such a well-priced training kit that will allow you to make the kind of money that these artists are making worldwide with Scalpa. All of Scalpa's products are extremely high quality and there are artists all over the globe using these pigments. If you're not ready to purchase the training kit, that's totally fine. You can go through the training and see the amazing quality for yourself. When you are ready to purchase the kit, we would love to have you in training as a certified Scalpa microblading artist.